Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for stopping by. July 10th, 2023, back to you guys with some more content. And I want to talk to you guys about some mailbox money. And I want to talk about Club Cash Fund. This is a program that I was a part of that I initially started my mailbox cash journey when I one of the first companies that I joined was Club Cash Fund. And this is a mailbox cash, like it says, with a twist. And I wanted to get back to you guys, just give you guys an update. And I actually thought that Club Cash Fund was shut down because I remember when I got involved with these other direct mail opportunities, postcard opportunities, I went to log into my back office with Club Cash Fund, and all of a sudden there was no back office there. And I didn't know what was going on. I just figured, hey, it must be just one of those companies that shut down. And I didn't understand why, because the program was going really good, and it just the pandemic happened. So this is just a quick update. Club Cash Fund never did shut down. Like I found out the gist of everything that was going on, and the admin John apparently he had gotten COVID during the pandemic, and I guess he got it pretty bad, and some things happened. He started having health issues. I from what I heard, I don't know the full story, so I'm not going to say much about that. I just know that he got COVID, and also the database for Club Cash Fund I guess they lost the database, so everybody was they lost their information. So Club Cash Fund never did shut down. So it's back. Gonna be back. I got an email. In my email, John said that I'm gonna get my re-welcome kit as soon as tomorrow, and I'll be able to pick a new username and be able to get reestablished with Club Cash Fund. And I'm really excited about this because Club Cash Fund, you don't have to mail out any postcards or anything like that. You can, it's optional, but what you do is you just get a free starter kit, and you're going to be able to get a free starter kit. I don't have a link yet. I'm still getting reestablished with this. I just got the email this afternoon today that Club Cash Fund, you can get $20 to $50 to $150 to $250 to $500 commissions with Club Cash Fund. And this is a cool program because you can get a free starter kit. And basically what you do is you're just going to request information, and I have a capture page. You'll fill out the information, it's just your name, email, phone number probably, and then you're going to request a free starter kit. So typically this is what unless they're changing it, this is what the capture page looks like. What's more fun than getting money in the mail? See what's changing lives and how money is made. It's simple, stupid simple to get cash in your mailbox every day like clockwork. So, like I said, this is my old capture page right here. So this is going to bring you to this.
So you're looking for a way to make some extra money without having to be some kind of computer genius or marketing expert, without having to sell anything to anyone. It's the same thing that I wanted when I was starting out, and it's why you decided to watch this video. My name's Chad, and I've been making money online since about 2002. And that's a lot of years of surviving scams, schemes, and rip-offs that seem to be everywhere we look these days. I say survive because, like everyone, I've fallen for those scammy offers and false promises too. But instead of giving up on my dream, I turned every one of those failures into a learning experience. I never lost sight of the life I knew was out there waiting for me, where people won't tell me what to do and when to do things. One where I don't answer to anyone but the ones that I love, and where I don't have to check my bank account before telling the kids if we go to a movie. I'm not claiming to be a know-it-all, because I'm not. What I'm really, really good at is knowing what doesn't work. And this new method I found works. I didn't invent it, but I've tested, tweaked, and developed it into a simple, fast, and fun way to make money. So this wasn't created by accident. It didn't come to me in a dream. I didn't hit rock bottom and magically discover this out of desperation. Look, plain and simple, I'm a regular guy. I'm a hard worker. I And it turns out that's all I needed to make the extra money I needed. Online, offline, it doesn't matter. The formula for winning is always the same. You don't need crazy computer skills or some expensive college degree. I didn't even graduate high school, if you can imagine that. Yeah, I honestly can't believe it sometimes either, but it's true. This is super simple. And the only person that can complicate it is you. But if you follow the right directions, you will. So here's how you can start receiving hundreds of dollars per day in as little as 2 weeks from now. Step 1, enter your mailing address so I can send you a getting started kit in the mail. Your kit will contain all the instructions needed to get started. Now, anyone can do this. It's simple. It's extremely lucrative. They can flood your mailbox with $100 bills like clockwork. So fill out the form below and I'll rush you your quick start kit today. So you're looking for a way to make some extra money without having to be some kind of computer genius or marketing expert, without having to sell anything to anyone. It's the same thing that I wanted when I was starting out, and it's why you decided to watch this video. My name's Chad, and I've been making money online since about 2002. Now that's a lot of years of surviving scams, schemes, and rip-offs that seem to be everywhere we look these days. I say survive because, like everyone, I've fallen for those scammy offers and false promises too. But instead of giving up on my dream, I turned every one of those failures into a learning experience. I never lost sight of the life I knew was out there waiting for me, where people don't tell me what to do and when to do things. One where I don't answer to anyone but the ones that I love, and where I don't have to check my bank account before telling the kids if we can go to a movie. Now, I'm not claiming to be a know-it-all, because I'm not. What I'm really, really good at is knowing what doesn't work. And this new method I found works. I didn't invent it, but I've tested, tweaked, and developed it into a simple, fast, and fun way to make money. So this wasn't created by accident. It didn't come to me in a dream. I didn't hit rock bottom and magically discover this out of desperation. But plain and simple, I'm a regular guy. I'm a hard worker, I can follow directions, and I'm driven to succeed. And it turns out that's all I needed to make the extra money I needed. Online, offline, it doesn't matter. The formula for winning is always the same. You don't need crazy computer skills or some expensive college degree. I didn't even graduate high school, if you can imagine that. I honestly can't believe it sometimes either, but it's true. This is super simple. And the only person that can complicate it is you. But if you follow the right directions, you will. So here's how you can start receiving hundreds of dollars per day in as little as 2 weeks from now. Step 1, enter your mailing address so I can send you a getting started kit in the mail. Your kit will contain all the instructions needed to get started. Now, anyone can do this. It's simple. It's extremely lucrative. They can flood your mailbox with $100 bills like clockwork. So fill out the form below and I'll rush you your quick start kit today.
So you guys remember, the gist of things, of how this actually goes. You just request a starter kit, fill that info in down there below, and you'll get a starter kit within no less than 2 weeks. You'll get a colored flyer. I don't know if I still have a copy of the flyer. Let me go check here really quick. So yeah, this all started off. I got a message from the Club Cash Fund group. Miss Teresa, she's the admin of the group, and I seen it pop up in my chats, and I was like, man, this must be, why is these old messages popping up? Because it's been at least a year or so since I've heard the Club Cash Fund name, or even more, or somewhere around there. So I was like, man, why is these old messages popping up? And I was like, hey, is this a old message? What's up with this group? Why am I getting messages from this group? And Miss Teresa, she said, well, Club Cash Fund, it never closed down, and she gave me the gist of what was going on, the story. And I was like, wow, I'm ready. I'm ready to get started again. Some mailbox cash. It's the perfect timing. And I have a lot more experience when it comes to direct mail marketing and postcard marketing and affiliate marketing. A little bit more experienced. And, I feel like I'm getting better and better on a day-to-day basis on getting the content and sharing my journey with you guys. Basically, I'm no better than anybody else. Just better as an individual. What I'm talking about, and I feel comfortable, more and more comfortable every day. So I'm ready to get the word out for Club Cash Fund. You guys want to get some mailbox cash on the basic level? It's a one-time $100, but first you're going to request a starter kit, and then you'll get the flyer. I was looking for the flyer in my PDFs. I no longer have it. I have to find a place to re-download the PDF for the flyer for Club Cash Fund, and then I will share it with you guys once the word gets out there more and more with this opportunity, Club Cash Fund. And it's mailbox cash with like dude said, it's Club Cash Fund. It's mailbox cash with a twist. It's a new school program, old school program with new school kind of built in, and so you don't have to mail out any postcards or anything. You can just share this website and send out people or get people signed up with this free starter kit. It's free information. So basically you're just building curiosity. Hey, you want to get some mailbox cash? Club Cash Fund is back, and you can request your free starter kit here, and then they'll get their free starter kit in the mail within a couple of weeks. And meanwhile, you can build the hype, or not the hype, because it's not a hype type of thing. You can, what I meant is momentum. Build the momentum up and let them know, hey, I got all of these. Before the pandemic hit, I was getting all these commissions. Club Cash Fund. It's a one-time $100 to get started. So, what's the $100 is divided up in 5 different areas. So, and then the admin is going to get $20, and then the remaining $80 is going to be split up between your sponsor, your sponsor's sponsor, and then the person that signed them up also. So that's how it works. That's the cool thing about this, is you're going to be able to leverage off of your team's efforts 4 tiers deep, if I remember right with the compensation plan. So if you were a member of Club Cash Fund and maybe your sponsor was no longer available or is no longer promoting it, you can feel free to request a new. I think you can request a new sponsor. So if you guys want to say, I want Buddy to be my sponsor, you can do that. Feel free, because we're all going to be able to leverage off of each other's efforts. And I'm for sure going to be doing videos like I always do with these opportunities, and then getting the word out there. So I'm continuing to do this. I've never stopped promoting stuff and never stopped getting the word out and never stopped sharing my journey. So this is a cool deal. I'm excited with this, guys. I can't wait to upgrade with this, get up to the higher money making opportunities, or the higher levels of this. You can make unlimited $20 bills with Club Cash Fund, and then it goes to unlimited $50 bills. So unlimited $20 bills, unlimited $50 bills, unlimited $150, $250, and $500 commissions with Club Cash Fund. So just giving you guys a quick, just an update. I don't have my link or username yet. This is just an update, letting you guys know that Club Cash Fund, it's back. They've never went anywhere in a sense, and I'm just giving you guys the the update on what's going on. So just keep you updated. There's going to be more to come once I get everything set up and get into the back office again. Start getting out there and requesting some free starter kits with this. Remember, you don't have to mail any postcards. You don't have to buy any stamps for this program. You can just request a free starter kit, and then it goes from there. That's the cool thing about this opportunity, is that it takes some of the expenses out of it, and it pays 5 tiers deep. One of the tiers go to the admin. You get the leverage off of your team. You can get unlimited 20, 50, 150, 250, and $500 commissions, mailbox cash. And that's the cool thing, guys. Remember, I had a lot of testimonials of getting cash in the mailbox, $20 bills, $40 bills, 60. So it's going to be cool to be able to do that again and more, because I really want to go hard with this program, like I always do, guys. So CCF, it's back. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to Success with Buddy. Hit that notification bell. If you do that, you'll be the first to come out with, be notified when I come out with new content. All right, my friends. Hope your summer's going good. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.